All right, we're gonna program this new Volkswagen key with an old Volkswagen key. So we're gonna put the key in the ignition. Turn it to the second position. And then we're going to put the new key here in the lock. We're going to lock it and unlock it. And then we're going to hit the button. You heard the horn? That means it worked. So let's hit the button again. Okay, let's turn the key off here. Now let's hit the button, the lock button, and watch the lock. Okay. There you go. New key program that easy. Now, here's the real test. Programming it like that. Will it start the car? Now, it would start it before, but it would blink up here with, you know, saying that it wasn't proper key or program to the car. Let's see if that happens again. It may just start and shut right back off like it did before. Yeah. And you see that blinking key? So, it'll work for the locks, but it will not work to crank and drive the car.